Alright guys, now I actually did this video after the next one because I felt I didn't really explain things very well in the next video. Before we even start looking into affiliate marketing, I know a lot of you guys are going to be new to this and you're probably thinking, where do I start? Like, there's so much information out there, there's quite a lot of information, there's training. Where do I start? What do I do? What is the next step if you want to get started? Well, the first thing to remember, guys, is traffic to your links is the ultimate goal here. Without traffic, you literally have no online business. Despite what people say, you need traffic. This is the biggest, these guys are your source of income. So whether you use paid advertising, search engine optimization, YouTube, whatever you use, you need people to your links or to your offers. And if you can't get people to your links and offers, then you're not going to make any sales. Okay, so this is really, really critical. Before we even dive into this, you need to understand that traffic is going to be your source of income. It's the same with any offline business, any business on the planet. You need to have people ready to purchase things from you. And it's the same with affiliate marketing. You're going to be recommending products to people, and they're the ones that are going to want to buy. Okay, so it brings me back to, where do you start? Well, first of all, maybe you want to build a following and offer recommended products or services or whatever you have to offer in your niche. And that's fine. There's a few ways we're going to go about this, but that's one of them. If you go down this route, I would recommend working on a niche you enjoy, like a hobby or something you have some knowledge about. What I mean by that, for example, like my YouTube channel, my blog, onlinedimes.com, I started documenting my life online, like how I make money and stuff like that. And I enjoy talking about that topic, and I make money via affiliate commissions. So for example, if you like fishing or you like photography or golf, you might start a blog or something about golf and build up an audience, build up traffic, and start making money via doing affiliate marketing. That's essentially, it always comes back to traffic. Okay, it always comes back to traffic. That's really what it always comes back to with whatever method you want to go with. Now, if you were going to do something like this, obviously your main source of traffic, guys, would be a blog, a YouTube channel. This is just some of the things. A YouTube channel, a Facebook group, other social media platforms, and other free traffic sources. Okay, because you want to go out there and build out an audience, and then advertise stuff later on. And a good example of that is this person here. This is Miles Beckler, and he doesn't have any of his own products. Okay, he goes out and does affiliate marketing. So he writes these blog posts about things, problems, and offers people solutions and software. He's doing over 6 figures a year just with this particular blog and his YouTube and things like that. So guys, he doesn't have any products. You don't need to have any products to do any of this stuff. And you don't have to personal brand as well. This is just an example of someone who is enjoying what he's doing. He documents a lot of his other businesses. Him and his girlfriend have another business, and he enjoys what he's doing. So if you decide to go down this route of building out an audience and later on recommending products to people, this is one way of affiliate marketing, then I highly suggest you do something that you enjoy, like a hobby, or it's not going to be as fun for you. Okay, the next thing is, maybe you want to just advertise offers and start making money right away, and you don't really care what niche, you just want to go out there and start making money because everyone's like, oh, there's all this money in affiliate marketing. Well, you can do that. But the thing is, you're still going to need a blog and a website, but you might just do straight search engine optimization traffic. Obviously do keyword research, go out there and find keywords and rank in Google for those keywords and make money. I'll teach you that. You'll need landing pages, paid traffic, and you might want to dig into CPA marketing, which is it's a little bit different to like ClickBank and stuff. You go out and buy media from sites. It's kind of in the paid traffic category, so I probably didn't really need to add this in, but because it's not going to really mean much to any newbies. So if you're going to go out and just not do any personal branding, you don't care about building up an audience first, then you would go out and you would rank for keywords for and advertise products or do reviews on products. You'd have landing pages for your paid traffic, and you'll do paid traffic. So that's another way, and we're going to talk about that. Or maybe you want to do Amazon affiliate marketing and make money that way. It's essentially the same thing. Blog, website, search engine optimization, and recommendations on YouTube videos. So you might do a YouTube video on the best camera for 2018, and then you would recommend a camera and send a link to Amazon. Send people to a link to Amazon. Once again, it comes back to that traffic source. Maybe you want to do affiliate marketing to people who have already purchased your products. You can do that. So if you have an online course already and you get traffic and people purchase your course, you can go out there and you can promote affiliate products to them later on, right? You might have a client list, like an email list, or maybe you have subscribers on YouTube, but they're pretty much people who have already purchased from you and you still have contact with those people. For example, there's a guy on YouTube who has an e-commerce course. He sells the e-commerce course to these people, and then he also promotes my Shopify theme where he gets a 50% commission. So there's really so many angles you can hit with affiliate marketing. Now, what's the biggest money maker, guys? This is what I get asked all the time. How can I make a lot of money with affiliate marketing? Number one thing, guys, find a problem, offer a solution. This is what's going to make you a lot of money, and a lot of people miss this. They don't understand this. They'll go out and go, I'm just going to go and try and make money from this random product. They have no plan. They don't know what they're doing, and it doesn't solve any problems. It's just like they do this review on this product on ClickBank, for example. They go and hit these weird keywords that don't make sense, and they don't make any money. Well, they make a little bit of money. You need to find the problem. You need to find someone's problem and offer a solution. The richest people in the world have done that. Okay? And I'm going to show you some examples here. So, for example, you can go and Google how to sing, and there's lots of search volume for this keyword. And then you can do an article on how to sing better or best singing tips, and then you can offer a product from ClickBank and you get a commission. Okay, you get 50% of this $97. So what you have done is you have found a problem. People are trying to figure out how to sing better, and you're offering them a solution. The number one rated online singing lessons program. Okay, so that's one example. Here's another one, best paleo diet. These guys are trying to look for the best paleo diet. They have a problem. They haven't found it yet. And then once again, you can go and do a video or a blog article or something about the best paleo. Well, if this is the best paleo diet, you can, do. I go out and review 5 paleo diets and do reviews, and you can offer this paleo restart book, whatever this is. Okay. So once again, a problem, offer a solution. Another one is how to create a website. This video has 6 million views in 2 years. You think this guy's made a lot of money? Absolutely. This guy is filthy rich. What does he do, guys? He does a video on how to create a website because it's very hard to do. And this video, I think this video is about an hour long. So let's say half a day to do it, edit it and stuff. And then what does he do? He promotes I don't know if he promotes this, but he promotes a hosting service where people can host their website. This is Bluehost. I'm on a different tier because I've made quite a bit of money off them. The usual one is $65 per sign up. I get $75 per sign up myself for this. I actually have a video in the how to create a website niche. Right, so once again, he's found a problem and he's offered a solution. Right? Another one, don't worry, this is the second to last one. GX7 review. People are doing reviews on these particular cameras. Now, the only downfall of this is you have to physically have the camera, which kind of sucks. So that comes down to the hobby thing. Do you like photography? Do you have a lot of cameras? Maybe you're into drones or RC cars. So let's say you have a bunch of drones. You can go and review those drones on YouTube, and you can make a commission by obviously promoting drones from Amazon. This guy in particular has a blog about cameras. He sends people to the blog, and then he has links to Amazon. Okay, so this is where it comes down to the hobby thing. One thing about Amazon on YouTube is you really have to be doing something that you enjoy, because you have to have all these products in your hand. Right, if you're a photographer, you usually have a bunch of cameras, so you can go and review them. If you're a fisherman, you have a bunch of fishing rods or something like that, so you go and review them. Okay, so Amazon and YouTube is a bit tricky. You do actually have to have the product. Well, you should have the product. And here's another one, guys. How to get rid of stretch marks. This is a CPA offer where you get $45 per sign up. per purchase, and it's a cream to get rid of stretch marks. Once again, a problem and a solution. Now you're going to hear me go over a lot of these things probably repetitively inside the training. So like I talk about the singing method thing in other videos. I think even in the next video I talk about some of this stuff in other videos. Just I do repeat myself a lot because I really want people to understand a lot of things, so I kind of just jog your memory throughout the training just in case you hear me talk about this again. Okay, so the thing is, guys, it always comes back down to the people, building that audience and getting eyes on the prize. Okay, you want to get eyes on your link, and it always comes down to the audience. If you don't have the audience, you don't have the eyes. So it's always a great idea there's always people in this world with a problem. You can be there with the solution. So to finish this video off, guys, before we jump into the next one, you need to think of a couple of things. What do you want to do? Like, don't try and do ClickBank, Amazon, do a video about how to make money online, or do a video about how to create a website, or how to create a Shopify store, or how to plant a tree. Pick one thing, whether it be you try and do a blog about a ClickBank niche, or you try and do a blog about Amazon, or you try and do videos about Amazon, or you want to build up an audience first and maybe do some personal branding and then do affiliate marketing. Choose what one you want to do first before you get too swamped with information. Okay, and then what traffic do you plan to use? Do you want to do free traffic? Do you want to do search engine optimization traffic? Do you want to do paid traffic? Do you want to do both free traffic and paid traffic? Do you want to do all three? Okay, so think about what traffic sources you want to do. Remember, if you do paid traffic, you need money. If you do search engine optimization, you probably need a little bit of money too, and you need time. If you want to do free traffic, you need time. Okay, so all of them have advantages and disadvantages, but those are the two things you need to figure out before you start any of this, is what do you want to do, and what traffic do you plan to use. So my recommendation would be to watch this course briefly and then come back once you've understand how this all works. If you're a newbie, come back and then pick one and start and go through step by step and follow the steps in the training. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to kind of go over, you know, there's literally hundreds of angles you can do for affiliate marketing. I've only really covered 3 here. It's all about the angles. It's all about how you build your audience and what you use for traffic. That's really all it is. All it comes down to is traffic offer, traffic offer, traffic offer, traffic offer. That's it. And you're just in the middle doing the work, connecting the people with what they want. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Let's move on to the next one. I'll have a look at some niches and stuff like that.